Hello and welcome to Herbal Teaching. Today I'm going to talk about the redbud tree. It is absolutely beautiful for its springtime blooms. Today I'm going to show you how to take these little seeds, how to break off that outer shell, how to trick it into thinking it's winter, and then within a few years you will have a tree like this. I am known for teaching herbs, plants, trees, spices, cooking, anything nature. So, about the redbud tree. It is known for its dark, smooth bark and these amazing pinkish purple blooms that are actually edible. Afterwards, there are some amazing heart-shaped leaves that go through the whole summer. This tree can grow anywhere from parking lots to forests to front yards to backyards, wherever you would like to put it. It is easy to grow, it is resistant, and it is known again for its beautiful springtime flowers. Like I said, it is from the pea family. It has very different features in the fall, and then its leaves are kind of a yellowish orange. But for these blooms, which last about 2 weeks in the spring, this is what you're going to need to do. These seeds have an outer shell that needs to be broken up and broken off of the main seedling. Then it needs to go through a cold spell, whether in the refrigerator or winter sowing. This is called scarification and stratification. Out in nature, animals and birds eat the seeds and pass them through, and that takes off that hard outer shell. For us, what I found to be most effective is the hot water soak method. First, what you need to do is you need to find some sort of container to put the seeds in. Afterwards, bring some water to a boil, and then you are going to pour this over the seeds. You don't have to fill the cup all the way up, just enough to cover the seeds. And then you are going to let it steep for about 24 hours. It will cool off, but you're going to let it sit. Afterwards, you are going to drain that water away, have the seeds, they're going to be a little bit more poofy, and then you are going to put them in a plastic bag with either some sort of perlite or moss. Now, for the stratification, you need to have a cold and moist period. What I've done is I put in a baggie peat moss and perlite mixture. I make sure that it's not overly wet, but it needs to be moist. Seal the bag up, label it, and date the bag, and you're going to put this in the refrigerator. It needs to have this cold period. Make sure that it's moist, check that there hasn't been any sprouts, and check it periodically. But you are going to leave it in your refrigerator for 60 to 90 days. After the 60 to 90 days, you are going to take it out and either put it in a seed tray, put some in some small pots, or if you want, you could put some seeds directly in the area where you want the tree to grow. It needs to be at least partial sun, and you need to make sure that it stays moist and protect it somehow so that the little critters don't come and have a snack on it. Again, I'm going to put this up on the screen so that you can see the different steps that you need to do. You can always go back and pause it to have a look at what you had missed or the steps that you need to do. Remember, it is sun to partial shade. Happy planting. Thank you so much for taking the time out to learn about redbuds and listening to my instructions. If you did like this video, please help me by liking it and subscribing. I am going to put down in the link below where you can purchase some of these seeds if you cannot find them yourselves out in wild. Again, I hope to see you again. I am going to be doing lots more things on herbs, plants, edibles, spices, cooking. So keep a lookout for Herbal Teaching or like and subscribe so I can send you some things. And again, thank you. I hope you have a glorious day.